live with me. You're on thin ice. You won't stand my back. You just pay the price. I just want it once, tell you twice. Don't live with me. You're on thin ice. You can't be a star.
Okay, guys, tell me what's going on right now.
It's January 2026, and there's a blizzard going on.
The Great Blizzard 2026.
We haven't seen anything like this in years.
We really haven't.
Look
Yeah.
at the husky and cougar.
Look, a husky, and look, it's
Dog sledding.
Pepper Ann, she's hungry. She might be a little high, because she sure does look pretty high right now.
How many inches we got?
Let's take a look, folks. Yeah, it's probably going to be about 8 inches.
Wow, off smell.
Off smell.
Interesting.
I smell inches.
Yeah.
Smells.
And that's on synesthesia.
Nice.
Okay.
What's that guy doing over there? On this mural. What's going on?
Well,
Is he a red coat?
Pepper Ann, that's for sure.
No, he's
Do you
definitely
think they have a
not.
love interest?
Oh yeah, I mean they're looking. Well, she's looking at him. He's not really looking at her. But
The
Well,
bull
that's
at
good,
the
'cause Pepper Ann's
matador.
like 10 years old, so.
okay.
Guy walking on the taters.
I mean, do you see this wind here, folks?
Yeah, we're getting sideways wintry mix. It's a sideways wintry mix.
Yeah, baby.
That's freaking awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah,
Let's take a walk, lad. Let's go.
Baby.
Oh, bus is coming. Ah. Garrett, where are we?
We are on Eldridge and Broome in the Lower East Side.
Okay.
Take a look at these boots, folks.
That's-
I am chin deep right now.
It's at least 8 inches.
That's that's at least 8 inches. I'm chin deep. FDNY might have to scoot me out. Good thing it's like soft. It's pretty soft serve though right now, you know. So
Yeah, I
if you
tried to pack a snowball before. I
get
couldn't really
stuck-
get much with it.
Yeah, if you get stuck, you know, it'll be pretty easy. Maybe put a little syrup on that, and you know,
Yeah.
you'll be on your way.
Where to?
We go straight. I'm gonna be taking you guys on a bit of a ride right now.
That's okay.
Spicy villages though. Looks like people are kind of shutting down, but guys, check this out. I am chin deep right now.
Chin deep, up to his chin.
This is at least 6 inches.
I'm shrinking, actually.
Man, I need to get it.
Wait, let me get far from you guys. Okay. Move like you guys are in a music rap. Like, is that Nolan?
Whoa!
No? What the?
It's giving small town fever.
It is. It's like when we ran into Mom at the shop right, it's small town fever.
What's up, guys? This is my friend Nolan. We're out here in the blizzard of
Nolan,
2026
how many
right now.
inches would you say?
It's gotta be at least 6, right?
I'd say about 6.
Ow! Worth it? Yep. You hungry?
Yep.
Oh! Yeah, I'm hungry. Oh man, that hurts. Yeah. Hey, if you need refuge, I got a place. You okay? Yep. Yeah, I'm alright. Let's go. Folks, we're looking for something to eat. We'll keep you posted. Alright.
Deuces. Go. That? All three? Oh shit.
Go. Keep the fire. Pushing the back.
The light is terrible in here.
Maybe we should also see weather and rain.
I couldn't hear it. He's so good, everybody. Give it up. There's no it scared me.
Here it is. You get what he says? We know that no one's been better protected this last drive or two. We're going to do it again. Gotta stop him.
They do. Stevenson shut down at the line of scrimmage.
This is not situational football. To me, if you want to throw the ball, you end the game, right? You get a first down, you throw an 8-yard out. Game's over. You're heading to the Super Bowl. But that conditions.
Kick him again, guys. I hope nobody got butt.
Hey, Dax, you there, man?
Oh shit, the accident here, my bad.
No.
Pick her up. You pick it up. It was wrong. Nice. Yeah, I guess put your shoe wherever.
Bulbous ass lamb.
Bulbous ass boots. Okay, yeah. We love these boots. I got a new beanbag chair.
I can't see the beanbag chair.
Check it out. Come closer.
Hold on, I got my shoes on. Your floor's gonna be soft.
Yeah. Put your CPS shoes on the couch.
Well, should we put our shoes outside?
It doesn't, it's fine. I don't really care.
Okay.
It ends up softening it up.
Where's your bean sack chair? I still don't see the bean sack.
This is it.
This is it.
It's a joke.
It was a joke?
Yeah.
Wow, I straight
Sense.
I straight up didn't know that.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You can put your
Is that
toes
Batman?
on here too.